Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Tidyyard Pool with steel frame and reinforced walls. Have plenty of fun with your family and friends with this coolest swimming pool in your garden or backyard. This above-ground pool combines durability and style. Thanks to the premium steel frame and reinforced walls, the above-ground pool is also highly stable. The pool is easy and quick to set up. Just lay the pool down on a flat surface, install the entire frame, and fill the pool with water. With the drain valve, the water can be discharged easily and quickly too. Product benefits. This above-ground pool makes of high-quality PVC. The pool is easy and quick to set up, is easy to fold for storage and transport when not in use. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.